Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Blue Square SEO and Digital Marketing Podcast. I'm your host Paul Burkett from Blue Square Management, and today I'm going to be talking about how to create how-to and explainer videos for your business. One of the most effective ways to use video to promote your business is to make a how-to or explainer video. For the most part, customers are not going to watch a long sales pitch. They might sit through a 30-second pitch if you make it entertaining or interesting enough, but if you want to keep them engaged for a long period of time, you'll have to offer them something relevant and useful. Information is a valuable commodity online, and a well-produced how-to video can sell your product or business more effectively than a traditional commercial without actually selling. There are several different things you can do with a how-to video. For example, you can demonstrate a product, show different ways of how to use a product, give customers a behind-the-scenes look to how you make a product or service. Any one of these can make for an entertaining and informative video. With that in mind, here are some tips to help you make a how-to video that your customers will love. 1. Research the competition. Do some YouTube searches to see what other how-to videos are out there and find a unique way to present your information. 2. Break down what you want to demonstrate into steps. Even if your demonstration is going to be largely visual, you'll need to write down step-by-step instructions to make sure you are not missing anything. 3. Once you have written down the steps, have someone who is not familiar with what you are trying to explain read it. You are probably very familiar with your subject. When you are, it can be easy to skip over important steps or explanations because you take them for granted. Incorporate your reader's questions into your written explanation. Keep refining it until you have it exactly right. 4. Think about the best ways to visually demonstrate what you have written. Brainstorm some ways to make it interesting and entertaining. 5. If you're demonstrating a product, focus less on its features and more on the benefits it will provide to your customers. Remember, the emphasis of online marketing should be about providing value to your customers, not at all about talking about yourself. 6. Write a script or hire someone to write it for you, incorporating your instructions and the visual ways you will demonstrate them. 7. Invest in good production. Having a great video and sound quality will keep people watching. A poorly produced video may have the opposite effect from the one you intended. 8. Optimize your video for search engines. Use a target keyword in your file name of your video and in the meta description when you post it on video sharing sites. 9. Write a transcript of the video to include on your page or video description box. 10. Have a release plan for your video. Figure out where and when you are going to share it. For example, you might share it on your website, post it on YouTube, or share it on your social media sites. A well-produced how-to video will increase your authority status, educate your target audience, and boost your bottom line as a result. Hope you found this episode helpful, and see you in the next Blue Square SEO and Digital Marketing podcast. To keep you up to date with our latest podcasts, you can follow us on Anchor.fm, Spotify, and Apple Podcast. Blue Square Management have created a free monthly digital marketing magazine that aims to help small businesses get more customers, clients, or patients, increase your sales, and help grow your business. It provides useful hints and tips on all online marketing topics, including SEO, pay-per-click advertising, social media marketing, review and reputation management, video marketing, web design, and much more. To get this free digital marketing magazine sent to your email inbox each month, just go to www.bluesquaremanagement.com and subscribe.